A while ago, I was looking at the free course I have put for everyone for free, the one that I call the mini course. And I don't know if you've done it or not, but it was about a simple gear and a simple assembly. I say was because I recently created and uploaded a new version of mini course, called it mini course 2.0, with free drawings to download, new course videos to practice with. If you've not joined my full course yet, then this is perfect for you because mini course 2.0 is free. You don't even need to sign up because you're already signed up if you're watching this video. All you must do is to log in and see what I have prepared for you. New courses, new projects, new downloadable content, and new assessments to evaluate yourself and your SOLIDWORKS skills. Also, if you get stuck or have any questions, which you will, there is a dedicated section in my private forum where you can ask your questions and get answers the same day. All of that without spending a dime. So I urge you, go ahead, click the button, go do the mini course. Don't waste this chance. It's free, it's perfect, and everybody who has been through it, which is currently more than 3,000 people, have given it 5-star rating. So I'm giving you this chance now. I hope to see you there soon.